Are you gonna
Jason,
continue with Mustangs or just go get a Honda Civic right now?
oh no, it's just this is in our DNA. I'm not gonna stop.
Stop braking?
No, I'm
Jason.
You know I'm not gonna stop talking shit.
No, it's fine. I love how happy you are.
I am. Just constantly breaking stuff.
Jason.
You're not breaking it. You're not having fun. No. What is up, fam? This message finds you all longer spirits. Well, today's day we're headed back for the autopsy of Hulk. We're going to pull the motor and bring it to L&M. We're going to Chuck's shop, CD Auto Truck in Delaware. And guys, this is it. Just 13 days left at your chance to win this Raptor and $5,000 cash. All you got to do is go to StangMode.com, grab some merch like a hat like this or a hoodie like this. And of course, our mystery boxes are live, but they're limited supply. Grab them before they're sold out. What do we got here? We got a Raptor, custom wrap, off-road lights. We have a chase rack. We have these cool rigid lights. And of course, what I'm bragging about is our Ford certified 100,000 mile warranty. Come get it. Also, a lot of you have asked to see the interior of the Raptor. Oh, what we have here is some of the mystery box items. I gotta take them over to the shop. But of course, we do have the cool hoverboard, really cool speaker system. I do have the NutriBullet. This is a special, you can see here, this cabin's pretty cool. It's fully loaded, heated cool seats, navigation, heated steering wheel. We have the adjustable pedals, all kind of cool stuff in here. But again, this car is grounded, it is not moving from this driveway. So get your entries in to get this Raptor. If you're wondering why I'm out of breath, I'm running around all day. But yeah, pretty epic. You can see back here, this is actually a huge sunroof that opens up as well. So it's a joy to drive it, and it'll be a joy to give it to somebody. I do like, this has the coolest graphics. Let me see if I can open it up for you. What's cool about this, it still has a digital pad there. This is cool. I love that. I just like that every time. And you know, it does have the adjustable pedals, built Ford tough.
Be back right after this, but hey, listen,
So,
2020 has been so crazy, so many events being canceled.
And we have really cool sunroof, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we are here with the artist formerly known as Talent Chaser. Check out his channel. He's supposed to be posting. Every time I have him, I say he's posting.
Every video I show up in, I'm just in the drive. I'm literally your Uber driver.
Well, we're back here with the, what is this called? This is not the stripper. What is this? What do you call this truck?
What you named it was the Rammer.
Okay, the Rammer. We're with the Rammer, and we're gonna pick up.
It does all the work.
Yeah.
On this channel.
We're gonna pick up the motor. You can take it right here. I'm gonna pick up the motor from C&D Auto Tech and then take it to L&M today, and we're gonna find out exactly what the diagnosis is. So,
This one, right?
yep, let's go see the Hulkster. This high-end backup cam.
Just making up my own parking spots around here.
Well, you're gonna have to back it in anyways towards the garage for when we,
All right.
you know, do that. All right. All right. Oh yeah. Well, guys, this is the day where we're actually seeing the motor pulled, and we're gonna load it up on the truck. This is Chuck of C&D Auto Tech.
Sure.
Yep. So we're here in Delaware. Morning. What's up, baby? That looks familiar. Oh man, look at that. Hi. Hi. Oh.
Bro. Jesus.
That was an earthquake, bro.
Yeah, well, both rods on that journal are gone.
Both rods, okay.
So, can't fix it?
He had some Flex Seal and some other tape that.
I say we try it. Let's just try it.
Here it is, guys. I can actually literally see you.
So this is most likely going to need to be replaced.
Okay, what is?
Even though it's not damaged, this is the part of the oiling system's oil filter housing. This leads out to the coolers.
Gotcha.
Because all that shrapnel went through the oiling system.
Okay.
Most likely this is going to get replaced. That's a Michael decision.
Okay.
But I'm 99.9% certain that's going to get replaced.
All right.
The cooler on the car is going to get replaced.
Okay.
There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that.
Yeah.
And possibly those lines. So.
The intercooler or?
No.
You're talking about the Whipple?
The oil cooler.
Oil cooler. Yeah.
So there's two lines that come out of here that go to a little radiator for the oiling system.
Gotcha.
To help keep it cool. So.
All right. So that's definitely has to be done, replaced.
Absolutely. So I think I just left this on here for Michael.
Yeah.
So if you want to back your truck up, we'll get her loaded up, get her strapped down, we'll hit the road.
All right.
It'll be too late today.
Sure.
So I got
sounds
the
good.
For Michael, and I got the supercharger there. I'll throw that in my car.
Okay.
So.
All right. Sounds good.
Oh man.
So that's what at least what you've seen so far is definitely got to get that new oiling system. Definitely got to get the new.
Yeah, the most likely this is going to get replaced because unless we can be 100% certain we flush any metal particles out of it.
Yeah.
Then we can't be certain that those particles
aren't still
reintroduced.
Exactly.
When we put the engine.
And then we're back in square one. Yeah.
Exactly.
All right.
You know, to skimp on, I don't know how much.
Yeah.
But say this was $500.
Exactly.
To skimp on a $500 part.
Yep.
Might cost you
another
$5,000 engine.
Exactly.
There's no sense in trying to pinch a penny to, you know.
Yeah, exactly. No, this is not going to be a. Look at this. Holy cow. This is not going to be a penny pinching situation. Any peek at we saw the bent valves.
Yeah, the bent valve on number 2,
Okay.
which has to do with the piston and that rod broke, so that's why then I don't know why this cylinder number 1 had the damage on the spark plug unless a piece of shrapnel went through there. Well,
exactly.
he didn't hit my door, did he?
At least the crank's okay though. Maybe. Michael decision, yeah. Okay. Yep. I gotcha.
For some reason. There?
Yeah. Well, maybe a little further in. I'll have to be able to close it then. Yeah, it should be fine. Slow.
I'd probably just leave it at the back.
I mean, if I can't close it.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
All right, guys. So, what the plan is now, obviously, Hulk was gonna stay here until we find out exactly what L&M discovers. But here it is. Here's my rolling $100,000 Mustang. This is, it's gonna be something. This is gonna be something, but we will get there. We will get there, guys.
You all good?
All right, guys, the engine is loaded up. We're headed to L&M. Curiously enough, L&M is actually close to our headquarters for the StangMode giveaway. So we'll probably stop by there later and check out and see how the StangMode staff is doing, shipping all your merchandise and orders, which I really appreciate because that's gonna help me put this motor back in the 500. So we're on our way there now. Just so you guys know, if you guys don't know, L&M Engines is the builder of the highest horsepower Mustang motors on the planet. They also hold a lot of records. So, you know, we're in good hands. We'll find out what Mike says. Mike is the head of L&M. Okay. He's the guy with the cigarette.
I met them once.
Yeah, you're gonna find out.
The older dude, right?
Older dude, yeah. Really knowledgeable. Mike and Chris over there are actually the two. We'll talk about what's wrong. We're gonna take it apart and then see what he says. All right, guys. Pulling in to L&M Engines. Just think a year ago, right here. Just think a year ago, guys, I was at the Ford plant seeing the Hulk assembled, and now we're here.
Seeing it assembled all over again.
we're doing revisionist history here, but we're gonna see what L&M's gonna do is gonna take some of the engine apart for us, see what they discover, and then we'll talk about a game. I know. All right, guys, we're here at L&M Engines with the Hulk's engine. Hi. I wonder if there's parts I can save. Good morning. Hello, puppy.
How are you?
How you doing, sir?
Hey.
Big day.
Is it? Just another engine coming.
Just another engine.
For him, it's a big day.
It's a big day. He's like, it's another day in the office. So, of course, guys, this is Mike, head of L&M Engines. So, we bought him the Patient.
Yeah.
He's gonna check it out and help us find out what the heck I did, and then oops. So.
What's your theory? 2 giant holes each side.
Our connecting rod probably failed.
Connecting rod probably failed.
Or a piston failed, and that'll allow the connecting rod to fail.
Yeah. All right.
Piston overheat. It could be a million things.
Yeah.
Well, the piston looks like it was melted.
Hi, Bear.
Nikolai.
Hi. I haven't seen them since like the summertime.
Last time you broke something.
Well, enjoy your sandwich, Mike. We're gonna come back here. They got a few engines ready here. What's up, sir? Long time no see.
What were you guys driving this Daisy or something?
I know. You know, you beat us here, obviously. So.
Well, you guys took the long way.
Yeah.
You went 95 instead of 495.
Yeah, I saw you go that way. We followed Google, and then that was it.
You told us about the
I don't think you have enough engines to work on. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he caught me by surprise, so I was like...
Well, guys, this is the plan. We're gonna actually unload the motor here. We're gonna take it apart a little bit, see what Mike has to say about it, and we'll find out what I wrote. What's that?
It feels like it's halfway decent.
I'll leave the rack on.
Oh, wait a minute. Yep.
Little heads.
Still good. What's that?
The only thing's still good.
What do you think I thought about these?
That's a hole, right? Yeah. The first time you saw the hole? Yeah. On the open floor plan.
It's a sunroof.
Yeah, it's pretty big, dude. Yep.
I'm really hoping the head's going to be saved.
Yeah. We'll be able to. Will you be able to tell today when you open them up, or?
Yeah, we should be able to tell something.
Okay. It's kind of a moment of truth too. See if the cams are salvageable, and the heads.
Cams should be.
Cams should be okay. Okay.
Yeah, they shouldn't have had really any damage. The only questionable one will be this one over here where the piston hit the. I need a 10 over.
I used to work in food service, so I'm used to this for French fries and onion rings and stuff.
We'll use the French parts. We're like Jimmy John's. Freaky good, freaky fast. Whatever the hell they say. I don't see any big chunks of metal up here.
That's good.
Am I missing something?
Some good
It's
news.
probably just tight on there.
You're missing or moving it.
Chunk? It's probably the rocker.
Yeah.
That valve got hit, and it probably kicked that rocker off.
I'm so used to seeing like chunks of metal everywhere. I'm just excited not to see something when you open it up. That's good.
I mean, that's fine too.
Yeah, I think all this stuff they all use long bolts and everything.
Oh, you're
I'm excited.
what?
See the bottom of this phone.
Maybe there's one more step.
It's gonna be
Bang.
We're gonna find huge.
Feels loose.
It's like the gold. It's like the gold at the bottom of the
yeah.
river.
Dropping the oil.
Something.
This one?
This too. Ready?
That one felt bent.
Oh, yay! Look at all that gold.
Be like a.
That's the pieces you keep. The head,
That's
or
the good stuff.
piston head, and that.
There's your piston squirter.
The squirter?
Yeah. She's a squirter.
Oh.
Goodness.
Wow.
That's cool.
the piston
Spin
end.
clip. Wow.
What you got? Oh, Jesus. Let me focus on that.
There's your 6-month bolt.
Jeez.
How does
Yeah, how does that even happen?